you've got things at home that you want to, or you think, you know, it's got a scratch in it, you think it's a bit rough, or you think, oh, I could use it for something. A lot of people's first instinct is to chuck something away and then discard it. So what we're here doing today is just basically taking an old pallet that we want to repurpose and use for something else, and we've noticed that it's got very, very rough sides, very rough edges. If you brush your hand across with careful spelks, you've got to be very, very careful, but you can see that it's not going to be fit for purpose for doing anything that we want to use it for, because we want to have, it's going to be in contact with people and we want it to be quite a safe piece of wood. So the first thing that you have to determine is how rough is your project and what do you need in terms of layers and surface do you need to actually get off. Because you might just have a little, like a little mark on it, you might have something a little bit deeper, so you've got to decide on the grades. Now there's about 5 different types of sandpaper that you can get buy for the project, but usually when you go to a DIY store, anything like that, even if you get an assortment pack, you'll only actually ever get 3 grades, and in that grade you'll get a coarse grade, which is very rough. You'll get a medium grade, which obviously is medium, and then you'll get a very fine grade. So generally what you use them for, the coarse grade is for something that's going to be really rough to the touch, watch for spelks and things like that. So if you've got to get something that's really rough, even a little bit of paint, anything like that, that's on, you would use a coarse grade first initially, because obviously that's going to be a harder surface to sort of, you know, to get smoothed down. As you're sanding, you can see that when you're sanding with the coarse grade, what you can actually do is you've got to go to the grain, and you can see that it starts taking all the sharp edges off, right?